So, now we're going to go through the alphabet and see how each letter sounds when in a word. First, let's start with the consonants. B sounds like B. So, boat, banana, box, rabbit, B. C makes a K noise, K. So, car, cat, cake, cucumber. D, dog, dad, darts, bed, F, fly, fairy, frog, safe, G, goal, galaxy, pig, bag. H, hat, heart, head, hawk. J, So June, jelly, jeans, injection, J. K, kite, key, kangaroo, lake, K. L, love, llama, lion, hill, L. M, mother, man, map, hammer. N, nail, newspaper, newt, pain. P, pumpkin, pig, pepper, Q, queen, quarter, question, squid, R, red, road, rabbit, Paris, S, snake, sea, sausage, rose, T, tea, taxi, team, paint, V, video, van, violin, pavement, V. W, wet, water, walrus, owl, W. X, so it can be X, Z, or X. So, X-ray, xylophone, fox, box. So, X can be X, Z, or X. X-ray, xylophone, fox, box. Y, yes, yo-yo, yellow, and bay. Yeah. Z, z. Zebra, zero, zoo, jazz, z. Okay, so let's join some consonants together. When you join these consonants, they make a different sound. So for example, T and H makes a th noise, th. So we place the tip of our tongue between the teeth and then blow air. So like this, th, th. And there are two types. So we've got voiceless, so no vibrations in the vocal cords. So, for example, think, thanks, third, and breath. The other kind is voiced, so it makes a sound and vibrates the vocal cords. So, this, those, brother, weather. So these are the two different th. When we join ing, it creates an ing sound. So sing, wing, going, happening. ing, ing. When we join C and H, we get a ch noise. Ch. So this is when air is briefly prevented from leaving the vocal tract as the tongue presses against your teeth. So look at me. Ch. Ch. Takes a bit of practice. So, cheese, chess, peach, reach. So we've got C-H, ch, cheese, chess, peach, and reach. Okay? We've got, when you join S and H, you make a sh noise. So to create sh, air is forced between the center of the front of the tongue and the teeth. So sh, sh. Shake, shock, mash, and splash. Sh. So S and H makes sh. Shake, shock, mash, and splash. Okay, so when you join S, I, O, N, you get a similar noise to sh, but it's more of a Z noise. So it sounds like jeune. Television, passion, mansion, vision. So S-I-O-N makes a jeune noise. Television, passion, mansion, vision. Okay, so those were the consonants. Let's now take a look at the vowels. We've got A. A sounds like A. So, apple, apple, ant, ant, ape, ape, cat, cat. We've got E, E, which sounds like E, E. So, elephant, egg, end, and bed. Next we've got I, which sounds like I. So it goes up, I. India, igloo, indigo, ship, ship, I. Next we've got O. So O sounds like O. So we've got me, Oliver, Oliver, on, song, loan, O. Next we've got U, which makes an noise. So umbrella, up, bus, and pug. So let's now join some of the vowels together. Those were the sounds the vowels make by themselves. However, when we join them, they make some different and unique sounds, such as when we join A and R, we get R. So, R, far, car, bar, and scar. R. When we join E and E, we get an E noise. So sheep, keep, peep, and sleep. E. When we join E and R, we get an noise. So teacher, father, mother, and brother. When we join I and R together, we get an noise. So bird, bird, third, weird, girder. So and ear. Teach bird. When we join two O's together, so O, we get So you can get book, brook, cook, cookie, foot, and good. It's like an noise. That's a short vowel sound. When we join two O's together, we can get a long vowel sound as well. So boot, choose, fool, goose, and mood. So oo. We can also get long vowel sounds followed by an R. So we get paw, door, floor, indoors. So this one's an or noise. Okay, so when we've got more than one vowel sound in a word, you get more complex ones, such as A-I-R is air, air. So hair, fair, air, and lair. When we join A-I-T, you get an 8 noise. 8. So wait, bait, await, and faith. So it's an 8 noise. Okay, when you join E-R-E, you get an ear noise. Ear. So here, we're, ear, here, ear. When you join O and U, you get a or noise. So tourist, tour, your, and poor, or. When you join O and W, you get an O noise. So show, low, crow, and blow. You can also get, when you join O and W, you can also get another sound. So ow. So instead of O, you can have ow as well. So cow, how, now, and bow. When you join O and Y, you get an oi sound. So boy, toy, alloy, and deploy, oi. And that's everything. Thank you very much.